Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Cardano's topic. Today we're going to take care about a price action, details of the space, and everything that is correlated with the technical analysis of Cardano for the current last months of 2023. So there is about 4 to 5 months to go, and we're looking for discovering what is exactly on the board for the probabilities on Cardano's price action. In the meantime, make sure to check out our main YouTube channel. We have our bot trading presentation, live trades. Recently, 18 hours ago, I posted the $190,000 profit on Binance bot trading. Make sure to check that out. If you would like to participate in our bot trading, no upfront fees, only commission from the pure profits made, while the whole trading is outsourced. I'll talk about it a little later on, including with a coaching. Stick with me till the end. Now, pretty much Cardano is in a difficult position, guys, because the price action is very close to the previous bottom we had. And this is not portraying the cryptocurrency in a good shape for the community. And this is the first problem I would like to recognize. If the community is lack consistency towards believing in the crypto, they are sort of a way participating, they lack confidence in a consistent way, then we have trouble coming into during the bearish times, which is something that we're actually looking for going through in the upcoming period, bearish times for the crypto space. So Cardano is going to suffer, and it can very easily fall below 20 cents. I hope you heard me very well. It can easily fall below 20 cents. That would be the outcome of an upcoming bearish segment, which will obviously trigger more than 30 to 40% decrease in Cardano's price action. Now, in terms of the ranking, it's still ranked 7th. It's still amongst the averages for the current price action on the percentage wise, but it's nothing near to the place it should be. If you look at the top 10, Cardano is having more volume than Tron, but all the other ones are having much better situation. Even Dogecoin, even Solana is sitting better. Even Binance Coin is doing much better than volume-wise. So Cardano is actually slowly putting out. It's slowly dying off during this cycle, and we need to be careful with that, folks, because the main concept of these cryptocurrencies can only be for long term. If you guys are expecting today to take advantage of the price action in a speculation wise, then obviously the futures trading, the leverage trading is the solution. But for the spot traders, long term, which means years of activity. Therefore, let's see what's happening on the other side. And what we have here is basically a situation of Cardano that I would actually consider to portray with the difficulty of talking fixed range volume. The fixed range volume is helping us to decide where it is with the horizontal red line amongst the price action represented in the current structure of downtrend. This is a structure of downtrend that you see here, guys. So we have been going through since June 2022. This is 1 day candlesticks in a downtrending structure. The environment has been punishing us for a while. What do I see here is a very, very strong level of volume and interest with the red line. That is showcasing we have extremely difficult times breaking out of that. If we failed breaking out during this bullish summer we had, and it was exactly there, then it's pretty much clear that the retest of this level was on the table at the time the rejection came in. We knew Cardano is going to fall at least to the demand zone, which we have it on blue. So that's basically the first portrait situation for this chart. But then what's happening for the future market situation is you have a gap here, which you can always fill up and still remain bearish. You are not supposed to forget about that. The gap is going to be filled up at some point. I'm only afraid of the fact that of losing Cardano in the upcoming 2 or 3 months, the demand zone. I'm sure this is going to be retested. I'm sure this is going to be put under pressure. Think about BTC is at 26 grand. Cardano is near to the bottom of 2023 early. This is an issue, folks, because BTC can easily come back to 16,000, but then Cardano is going back to 17, 18 cents. which will trigger a lot of the selling pressure and a lot of liquidations and panic selling. So for the cryptocurrency of Cardano, I would not touch this without seeing the low being broken and most likely consisting a technical analysis towards BTC for me to get closer and closer to the price action of Cardano. So that's it on the topic. That's it for the moment in the way we have it portrayed. I strongly believe this can perform much better as soon as the community picks up with the values of Cardano, because in the background, development product-wise as a core, they are doing very well. So they have a performance that is positive in terms of delivering. Now, the thing is, the price action is not always correlated, and actually, if you want me to be honest with you, most of the time is not correlated with the product itself. At the times the product is great, we seem to be having difficult times correlating. Due to the fact that we're actually talking about financial instruments here, and they do have their own movement correlated with the BTC, which is also correlated with other financial instruments. So it's not really close to the product, only for a speculation period, such as huge or big milestones achieved, partnerships achieved, cryptos are doing their own. But other than that, they do follow BTC, and that's pretty much it. This is the current situation for Cardano, folks. Whatever movement we get upwards is going to be shorted. There is no situation here of a reaction back to the 45 cents on the table with a domination probability, only that 0.1% of base that could appear. Other than that, not more for the current situation of Cardano, unfortunately. So for those of you that are expecting to be long in Cardano, you need to take a pause for quite a long period of time here and expect basically the markets to suffer in a sideways, downtrending, and lack of that kind of prompt, consistent bullish movements such as we had here, right? So even if you get a couple of days of bullishness, you're going to face a huge resistance near to you that you're not going to be able to break out without having BTC extremely bullish. So keep that in mind. This is very important, folks. Getting back to the coaching, for those of you that believe skills and education are important for success, make sure to check out our one-on-one coaching, where I'll take you by hand and teach you to become a professional trader. Whether you want to do part-time or full-time, an extra income would not bother anyone. So between 4 to 6 weeks intensively coaching on live conversations with me directly. Register now for more information. Check out a video to see how it works. We have a psychological level, technical level, and live trading level. So everything is needed pretty much on the topic is being represented. At the same time, if you want to trade in the meantime, or if you want just to be part of the trading process, we have a no prior fee, only commission possibility. For those of you that would like to join our AI bot trading movement, we can perform the actions for you. Trading through API, commission is paid by you every 7 days based on the profits achieved. Percentage wise, everything is explained on our pages. You see our performance on the left side, you see on the right side the explanation. Quite simple, no copywriting, no sales pages, no fancy marketing kind of things. This is the movement, simple, straight to the point. Anyone that thinks it's valuable can join. That's it, folks. So make sure to check out links in the description area and comments area. Subscribe to the channel, have a great time, and we'll talk to you soon.